Good afternoon, this is Andy Schweitzer and a quick little update as far as a little lab technique we're going to use in order to figure out how do I physically find an image location of a virtual image. Now, in this case we have a little um, object here, but we will have a light source, basically a light bulb sitting right here. And because it's a diffraction gradient here, I'm not going to be able to focus the image on my sheet of paper, which is located, and I got a bad drawing device here, so never going to be able to do this. So in reality, the image is somewhere in here that's virtual. My object here is right here. So what I'm going to do to get this to work is I'm going to place a convex lens right here. Alright, now in that case, it's going to take the diverging rays and converge them onto this screen. Now, I got to play around with this a little bit to make sure to somehow get this thing to focus. You can move the paper, move the lens, whatever. Um, Either way, it doesn't make a difference. My original image is going to be right here. Okay. Now, once I get this thing to focus, then, so step one is going to be to add the the convex lens. All right, so let's type this in here. So step one, we're going to add the convex lens. All right, step two, we're going to, once it's focused, we're going to remove the this particular lens. But you have to mark where it was. So mark where originally it was here, and then remove it. Mark the location of concave lens, and then remove the lens. Okay. Now, as you remove this lens, this guy right here, once it gets removed, okay, this image that's being portrayed on this screen focused is the image that is actually the virtual image. It's one way to see the virtual image. So once this guy is gone, what we're going to do is to take your light and creep it forwards until you actually, or you may have to go backwards, depending on where your virtual image was, until it gets focused back again. Let's just say we take this thing and we creep it forwards. All of a sudden, right here, this particular thing is now producing the same image it was before. That's because that is where this original location of that virtual image was. And now, from this distance to the original location of the mirror is your distance image. The original location to the mirror is your DO, distance object. And that is a little lab technique for determining the location of a virtual image. So remove the lens, all right, then move the object until it gets focused. This is image distance from new location to old location of yeah, of the lens. And that's it. We'll give it a try.